Whatever happened to the happiness? Do what you want to get it back for us. You take your time, then let me know if you wanna stay or if you wanna go. I know you have difficulty knowing me, but you don't have difficulty showing me that we just need to get away. I'll take you on a wild adventure if you want to go. We're locked in places, sing together, please just let me know. Won't you synchronize with me? You can be my everything, my everything. You can be my everything, my everything. Won't you synchronize with me? You can be my everything, my everything. You can be my everything, my everything. We haven't got unlimited time. Sun is out and you get to your prime. We're falling for love, we're falling for lust, we're falling through everything. You see the summer's getting closer. We don't feel like we are getting older. So show me what you have to bring. I'll take you on a wild adventure if you want to go. We're locked in places, sing together, please just let me know. Won't you synchronize with me? You can be my everything, my everything. You can be my everything, my everything. Won't you synchronize with me? You can be my everything, my everything. You can be my everything, my everything. I don't want to change. We'll just rearrange. I don't want more space. Won't you synchronize with me? You can be my everything, my everything. You can be my everything, my everything.
How's it going, everybody? All right. So, since the last time we left off, I changed a little bit. Added a new icon down here that allows you to resize. So to figure out how to get that on the edit screen only. Also changed a little bit with the overlay. So now you can drag and drop via this icon, and also do all your edit stuff via the icons as well. They're gonna fix a few more things with the index and make sure that everything works, but basic functionality is all here now, which is good. Let's see. So where we left off, where we're creating this grid card options. File structure look okay. Here, put that in. Okay, yeah, we did. Oh, no, we didn't. Maybe script in some frames. Probably Home Assistant. See if we continue to frames here. So yeah, so we got this. Something I do have to fix is like based on the height and the width, make sure that we're not too small. That's a little ridiculous. Oh. Pixels on that. That's 15 pixels. Oh, fuck. So we should probably limit everything to be. That's 15. Probably 3. On my grid layout here, we have a minimum and a maximum. Right. I'll set in units of that 15 pixels, so we'll go with 4 right now. Hey, what's up, Ian? How's it going? Do something cool. I don't think I do that in code. I think it's mostly not cool stuff till it finishes up, and maybe then it's cool. Losing a lot of frames. Interesting. Oh, it's because I have Excel and shit open. I have like 7 Excel tabs open from work. Maybe that'll help. Oh. How's it going, Ian? Apparently, I told you wrong with the action editor. It looks like Bram wants the wants to be in its own little editor or something. Like, I don't know. Seems like we had different opinions on that. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Fresh yet? Better question. Oh my god, no, this is the type. Fucking idiot. This is my coding process. Does it even work? He hates us. I think he just likes doing things or making us work on things and then telling us that it's wrong. See, now we can no longer go to that small width. Resize it to 4 units. Very nice. Now that fits perfectly there. Just do stuff about the width. Oh man, it is super laggy right now. What else do we have running? Hello? Nothing. Okay, but now we have this. Looks pretty good to me. My issue is got to scale it based on the width. What's going on, Rosby? Yeah, this is only the second one, so you've got all of them. Let's see, why is this able to go outside of the bounds? Add hover here. Add hover here. There we go. So card actions is. Oh, you know what? I better never put position relative here. I mean, actually, it had to be. This is. Oh, why are we? Yeah. Flex. Wrap. There we go. This. Maybe we need this. We just need flex wrap on that. Yup. Cool. Basically what I'm doing is I changed up a little bit of how the hover is going to work. Also, I want to figure out how we can do this on mobile. So I'm thinking if you're in edit mode and you click, then it just activates that until you click outside of it, maybe. Click anywhere in it. It activates it and doesn't turn off. If I go out now, it won't stop being that one. Maybe? I don't know. until I click on another one and then it goes away. Problem is, how do I capture a click outside? I don't know if I can do that. Maybe just after like 5 seconds of not being hovered in here? But drag, so laggy right now. I think it's because my browser's like taking a shit. Some cars take a whole view on them. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm almost like just can't do it in mobile. Maybe like you just take drag and resize ability out on mobile. Like if the viewport is, you know, smaller than 500, maybe like 760 width or something like that, then you can't do the resizing and you can't do the moving. Or maybe, I mean, resizing is still pretty simple. It's the moving that would be really hard on mobile, and that's just in general. If it's not small enough, then it is hard to do that, right? I've tested it on mobile and it works on mobile. Like if you go to the GitHub and the lit grid layout GitHub, you can actually pull it up on mobile and drag stuff around, right? But I don't know. But yeah, like what is MVP though? Like, is it taking away the ability to do it in mobile? Is it just leaving it? Here's the thing: is we also have to implement a lot of features into every card. So like every card is now going to say like, what is the minimum width, right? Minimum maybe pixel width. I'm not sure, but it's like, what is the minimum width that this card can go? And it can't it can't be smaller than like, or it can't be larger than what our cards normally get to. Hey, what's up, B? How did you know that I was streaming? MVP is perfection. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Also, I don't know if I like a button for the drag handle. It's kind of, it doesn't do the same thing. I'll change the cursor. Let's do that real quick. Cursor to move. Brush. Discord? Does it actually show up in Discord? It says I'm playing Probably Home Assistant. Cool. Well, glad you guys made it. What did I just do? Oh yeah. So, cursor is different. Not different. Cursor is move. Is MWC overriding me there? Thank you. That works, but it doesn't work on the button. Shouldn't work, but yeah, I mean, I guess that makes sense. I need to not make it a button. That's basically the move here. The button means that you can click it and it does something, and clicking it and it doesn't do anything. I need to make this a little different. I'm thinking maybe I put like a box up here, So let's do this. Console. So instead of it being take it out. Actually went exactly where I wanted it to go. I don't know why the icon is not displayed. The color option here. Color is white, yeah. Hi. Oh, it's because I'm not hovering. Okay, so now we make the background here. We do something like that. And on hover, this shows up here in the top. What is going on? I think I do that. I think we do. Problem is that then how do I make it so that this doesn't then not do that? You definitely got to shrink it based on the width. I wonder what width here. The button size is 48 pixels right now. See what it says, 5% maybe. That is so small. I don't even think it's showing. Actually, it's just not. I mean, this is hard to do. Wait, no, it does work. It's there. Let me copy this, damn it. It does kind of work. Not work, though. It's because the icon is so big. Still so tiny. It's just not working. Not working. Yeah, I was thinking that 15% would have been bigger. Okay, so we have to do queries. So I can still do that. Just have to add a resize observer in here. You can base it off a percentage and just do it that way. Just a percentage of the width at all times. Or updating the width. So tiny. Also, I still need to figure out how to save the layout. I don't want to figure this out first. Okay, I'll say edit. Wonder if instead of make this div full height and just display flex the whole thing, make it justify content between to make button up here so that they don't fuck with each other. Also, overlay covering up resize, because the resize element, not an element above it. I can somehow trick it. Currently, it's being set inside, actually, so I mean, we should be able to. Since the grid card options is what's inside the grid item, maybe we can do something so that needed to be above the slot, but below everything else. Oh. Pick the right freaking window. This has a z index of 1, 2. Oh. Why? I want to say like I want sense of this display content. Almost like I need another surrounding I almost need another surrounding div. Find it real quick. So this should be in here. Made this like Z index. I don't even. There's a different shadow root. What I'm doing is completely fine. I know what I want. I want it to be resizable at all times, and then if you hover, I don't want it to. Maybe I make a button that says like enable or resize. Click the button and then be able to resize. I think this is a variable. Index of 5 to start, maybe. Also position it. Kind of like it right where it's at. Oh, you know what I could do? Could add opacity here. Use that for on hover. Change the opacity maybe. It's not always there. You can only see it when it's on hover. That way I don't have to re-render everything. Thoughts? Problem is I wish I could do it like the drag handle. Maybe I can, but because I'm making this another instance of the draggable element. Need to know all the things that the draggable does in resize in order to calculate the size. So I think I'm just gonna do it like that. Bump the version, and apparently I didn't. Pretty scripted. build it. Good. Publish it. PM. Madison brought me some cookie. My version. Oh, now it says I'm streaming in Discord. Too descriptive? What's too descriptive? Also, what's the lag time here? Latency. Be like 5 seconds, but I'm not sure. What is what exactly? I think we're in a little bit of a delay, I guess. I don't know. Can't really tell. For me, it's 7:45, 17, so that delay is. But if you describe what it is that you're talking about, then I can. Also, Ian, what do you mean by too descriptive? All of that. This is Home Assistant. You're talking about like this. A whole. This is magic. It's Home Assistant. It's code. This is code. This is my Lovelace dashboard for my dev environment. Home Assistant is a home automation platform. Ian, what do you mean by too descriptive? I need to know. Oh. That makes more sense. About the commit message. Got it. Yeah, no, that's how she goes. It's pretty bad. What the fuck? Did I skip a version? Fuck. I skipped a version. I went from 1.7 or 1.1.7 to 1.1.9. Idiot. But yeah, also I fucked up with my versioning. This is like the first time I'd ever done anything to NPM, and I started with 1.0 like an idiot. Now I have to deal with that. 1.2 is going to be the official version. I'm really good at coding, I promise. Really good. Really good. Yes, Ian, I thought you were talking about like something, like a feature that I added was too descriptive. What the fuck are you talking about? What were we talking about? Should probably just move on from the card options. Figure out how I'm gonna save this, and also what sucks is I also have to like somehow ignore or always start at version 2. Should I start at version 2? Should I just go to version 2? I'm like, do I just do that, or do I or like 1.2 and just say that's the first version, so I can come out with a 2.0 later. Maybe I'll just do 2.0, I don't know. Okay, but here's my problem, right? Yeah, the delay makes banter. What is the delay? So right now, Ian, if you can look, it is 7:48, 20, or in like 30 seconds right now. What is the delay? I'm hoping it's like 5 seconds. I have low latency set. I don't know why it wouldn't. Yeah, the screen, please. Ultra low latency. Looks like I'm not already streaming. 35 seconds? Wait, Rossby said it's like 30, or it said it's like 5 seconds. 35 seconds. Here's the time. Check it out. I'll keep it up. Sorry, I'm not a professional streamer, so I don't know what to do here. On my Streamlabs, set it up to be low latency. Yeah, is it not low? Maybe, Ian, you just need to upgrade your internet. Rossi is not a liar. I do not believe that. Refresh it or something. Like, away it's 35 seconds. If I watch it on myself, it's like 6 seconds. I'll watch it myself too. Pull this back up. 48. No, it's like 20 seconds for me. Fuck. Why is it like so long? Also, I just dropped frames. Have I always been dropping frames? Oh, maybe. We can update something here. What I just enabled though. It should be just latency. I don't know. Much. Yeah, I think I like Twitch better, but YouTube is where most of my stuff's gonna be, so keep it on one platform. But let's just, you know, not. Okay, so dwelling on it again. CBR. I didn't set it up to be CBR. Also, it's on software. It changed. Oh my god. Under. Low latency mode. Yeah. Also, I don't understand why it changed my encoding. I wonder if I'm dropping frames. Yeah. Whatever. I'll fix it next stream. I'm not that worried about it. Sorry, guys. I'll make sure. I didn't know it was gonna change. So how do we save this to... So, okay, well, actually, I need to actually finish my thought I was having earlier. So, problem... having... I know, I could have been done with this. I need to add the layout. Problem is, I don't want this to be editable in the UI. I think I just have to ignore it. Okay, and just remove it. What am I like? Covered my motion sensor. Fuck. I have to remove this somehow. So how do we do that? Braum allow me to do that. Capture settings or your settings in it. That's my capture settings, like Streamlabs. To be honest, I don't know exactly what the YouTube settings are. My camera frozen? Why is my camera frozen? Change battery pack already? The worst fucking battery I've ever seen. Fully charged. Oh shit. What? No. Eh. I'm gonna store it in a separate lookup table. No, Ian. The plan and how we built everything was so that it could be done with custom cards as well, right? So if it's done in custom cards, it has to be done on the card level. It has to be stored somewhere so that if they refresh, it has to be done something. Are you bantering me again? Okay, well, why? Everything's just going wrong. I love it so much. Create a new source, please. Webcam shitty. Becoming a professional streamer while streaming is good. It's just spinning. It's just broken. Oh, my whole thing just froze. You're just spinning. Can't click anything. Incredible. Am I even still live? Would have no idea. I'm still live. Best stream ever, thanks. I don't even know how to stop the stream at this point. My shit's broken. It is just frozen. It's just frozen. Hey, fucking love this. I'm very good at. Can't tell. I'll just kill this bitch. Streamlabs is just completely. Did we go live? Oh. Okay, thanks guys. Sweet. I changed my encoder and everything. Now we're like 40% lower. The audio was out of sync before? You guys didn't tell me? You guys are making... It's your guys' job to make me a good streamer. What are you doing? Okay. So we left off. We have to take this out somehow. Or add it in there. I think I just want to take it out. I only want the... Problem is like, what if other views don't? Like, what if other custom cards, they want to be able to edit that, huh? The biggest problem is like the min height and the min width and everything set up this way. I don't know. I feel like it should not be in the UI editor. Like this should only be YAML mode people that can do this. Problem is it's stored in the YAML file and it'll be in the code editor. Shit. I never thought about this. Should have thought about this. Oh no. On the same view. Oh, I know why. I changed the... Made it one variable. Okay. Well, thanks for sticking around, guys. Yeah, I had it on different. Like 30% less CPU with this new encoder, so that's good. Quality should maybe be better. What we're looking at here is going to make this a little bit better. I want to try my new opacity setting. So this handle. Be 0. Oh, I didn't add any transition. Probably should have done that. Then on hover, didn't work. Size handle. Did I spell it wrong? 1. Spell it wrong. Very interesting. Building. Huh. Didn't that work? Maybe it's not that. Maybe it's just not this. Edit. C. Oh! It's acting like it's set to 1, therefore it's acting like it's always being hovered. Guys, we're not in edit mode. That code only loads in edit mode. Fuck! Shit. Problem is this is not. Okay, that doesn't look like something we can do. Okay, so I left nothing. Cool. Cool. I could throw it a vent. I don't really want. I have to start capturing the mouse enter and shit. We just need to be not resizable. Out, I guess. So I added a variable or a property on grid element. Resize disabled. What we can do is we can set it to this dot. This dot. The not version. But it is not in edit mode. Resize. Okay, we're somewhere. And now if we edit, boom. Now it's resizable. What if I just don't make a resize handleable? What if I just make the whole card the hand? I keep going back and forth on that. What do you guys think? Should there be a resize handle, or should the whole card be the handle? Card being the handle. All right, so if we do this, right, in a dashboard. You can just move it. Problem is like maybe it should be something that's behind this, like the overlay, and these don't. If you drag and drop these. Yeah, so here's what I'll do. This is behind it, right? See, that's going to be confusing. Right, so now this is just can't edit in this box. You can't drag in this box. You have to figure out this performance issue, but when the drag starts, I undo these things. I like this. I think we're headed in this direction. I think adding a drag handle is too complicated. So now I can't drag with the. And it can't drag here either. I think I added a drag disabled too. I could just add that Boolean here just to make sure it's not trying to work more than it has to be. So frustrating that is so bad performance, because if we go here, no, I pushed the bad version. Waiting for unpackage. Oh, it worked. Huh. Performance here is so good. It's so smooth. Yeah. So smooth. Butter. But Home Assistant, it's very nice. I understand why. A lot more. Move around. Now, you still have to worry about. So if it's below like a certain point, then shrink these. Like, this is the widest it can be with all these here. Where's the struct? Here we go. Shit. I have to add this layout to every one of them if I do it like this. Is there an any? Hey, there's an any, baby. Now this works, but they're still able to do this. I wonder if I can pass it up. I don't know. Don't want it to be. If you go in there and change that key, then it's bad. Yep, tired. And it could store it on the view itself, but it's still editable, right? Store it as like an object. I still need a key on each card, though. And that would change the way the custom views work right now. But I think this looks good. I think we're getting somewhere on the visual section of it, which is I like this. Oh. What do we do whenever we go to a smaller viewport? Like, this is going to be the next biggest problem, right? If I push this here, what happens? Goes down one less column. Oh, like it's here, right? But it misses that gap now. Huh. I don't know. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to end stream there. Get back to it later. And then go to bed. It looks so bad. Media card. Not gonna look good whenever it gets turned on a bit. Okay, well, I am going to end the stream now. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Helping me through my stream difficulties here. So then will this cause errors if you're using a layout card? I don't know. I don't know what the layout card is. This is going to be in like alpha stage whenever it gets released, either next release or the one after. And I would not trust that any custom cards really work, to be honest. I would not trust that. Would not trust that. But yeah, I'm going to end stream there. Thank you guys. Hopefully the stream got a little bit better, and I'll make sure